Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of robotic simulation. Whether you're an aspiring engineer, a curious learner, or a seasoned expert, this video will walk you through the essential requirements to master robotic simulation. Robotic simulation is a powerful tool used to design, program, and test robots in a virtual environment. It's a fantastic way to learn and experiment without the risks associated with real-world hardware. But before you jump in, let's explore what you'll need to get started. First and foremost, a solid foundation in mathematics and physics will be incredibly helpful. Understanding concepts like kinematics, dynamics, and calculus will allow you to grasp the underlying principles of robot behavior in simulation. To interact with the simulation environment effectively, you'll need to be familiar with programming languages. Python is commonly used for robotic simulations due to its simplicity and extensive library support. Additionally, knowing C++ can be advantageous for more complex tasks. Now that you have the tools and knowledge, it's time to fuel your creativity and problem-solving skills. Robotics simulation allows you to design and test various scenarios, from simple pick-and-place tasks to complex autonomous systems. The prerequisites to learn robotic simulation vary depending on the specific simulation software you want to use. However, some general prerequisites include basic knowledge of robotics. This includes understanding the different components of a robot, how they work together, and the basic principles of robotics. Knowledge of programming. This is essential for creating and controlling robots in simulation. Most simulation software uses object-oriented programming languages such as Python or C++. Knowledge of mathematics. Mathematics is essential for understanding the physics of robots and how they interact with their environment. Some of the key mathematical concepts you'll need to know include linear algebra, calculus, and differential equations. Familiarity with Linux. Many simulation software packages are only available on Linux platforms. Therefore, it's helpful to have some familiarity with Linux if you want to use these packages. In addition to these prerequisites, there are a number of other skills that can be helpful for learning robotic simulation. These include problem-solving skills. Robotic simulation can be challenging, so it's important to be able to think critically and solve problems. Attention to detail. Simulations can be very complex, so it's important to be able to pay attention to detail and catch errors. Creativity. Robotic simulation can be a creative outlet, so it's helpful to be able to come up with new ideas and solutions. If you're interested in learning robotic simulation, there are a number of resources available online and in libraries. There are also a number of online courses and tutorials that can teach you the basics of robotic simulation. Here are some of the resources that you can use to learn robotic simulation. The Construct. The Construct is a website that offers a variety of courses on robotics, including robotic simulation. Udacity. Udacity offers a nanodegree program in robotics software engineer that covers robotic simulation. ROS.org. ROS is a popular open-source software framework for robotics. The ROS website has a number of resources on robotic simulation. Gazebo. Gazebo is a popular open-source 3D simulation software for robotics. The Gazebo website has a number of resources on robotic simulation. In this video, we talked about the prerequisites you need to learn robotic simulation. These include basic knowledge of robotics, programming, mathematics, and Linux. We also discussed some of the other skills that can be helpful for learning robotic simulation, such as problem-solving skills, attention to detail, and creativity. If you're interested in learning robotic simulation, there are a number of resources available online and in libraries. There are also a number of online courses and tutorials that can teach you the basics of robotic simulation. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on robotics and artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching.